Hello, in this video today I'm gonna show you how to delete records from a table without locking, blocking other workload running and selecting, as an example, data from the same table. So for this I will create a demo table with ID and the clustered index on that column, a random number and random date. I will fill up 10 million of rows with random date and random number to the table and delete some of those records. Let's wait while this finish loading data. Okay, cool. Test data got loaded into demo table. Let's see if we have some records. Yes, we do have. And for this test, I will try to delete data between random date. Of course, for non-clustered index on this field would very help, but let's imagine that you can't create any kind of indexes, maybe production, server, etc. So what if I'll run this statement and at the same time we'll try to query the data from the same table. Let's see. And here I'm trying to select some data. What we have, we are seeing that delete statement running on session 54 and the same sessions 54 locking our select statement. This means that table got scanned through clustered index and lock escalated on all the table. No other statements might run. So how we can solve this without creating any additional indexes, etc. First, we might select what IDs are between random dates on the table. So this won't add exclusive lock on the table, but shared lock. And then we will delete with row lock. This means exclusive lock won't be placed on the table and other statements might run successfully. Let's see if it works. In the same time, do selects. So now you can clearly see that select statement is not blocked anymore while delete is still running. Cool, but this not perfect because better ways to delete in chunks. So basically we would have smaller transactions. Let's wait till finish the first delete statement. We might create as an example while loop and deleting only top 1000 at a time and loop for the same delete statement like as long as there is something to delete. So in this case our delete statement will use less resources, transactions gets smaller. So let's try deleting in chunks, and of course we still can do selects on the same table without any locking blocking issues. Hope you found this useful, and if you don't want to miss my future videos and support my channel, please subscribe. See you.